Assalamu alaikum. Hey all. Today we are at Al Jaddaf, and honestly, this yacht vibe is on another level. Cool breeze, peaceful waters, and that stunning Burj Khalifa view. Such an amazing feeling. Every second on this yacht felt like a luxury movie scene. Photos, reels, chill moments, everything looks aesthetic here. If you're visiting Dubai, you should definitely try this luxury yacht experience at least once because this isn't just a ride, it's a whole vibe.